welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Monzo card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Monzo card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate via the Monzo mobile app. Open the Monzo app on your smartphone, log into your account, navigate to the Cards section, and select your new card. Tap Activate Card and follow the on-screen instructions, including verifying your identity if required. Step 3. Activate by phone if needed. While Monzo cards are primarily activated via the app, you can contact Monzo customer support through the app if you encounter any issues. Provide your card details and follow their instructions. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation through the app. Your Monzo card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. To manage your card efficiently, make sure your Monzo app is fully set up. This allows you to monitor transactions, manage your account, set spending limits, and control your card settings easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.